Hello everyone, today we are going to make lemon chicken. First, cook the chicken breast. Tear the cooked chicken into thin slices. Then we cut the red pepper into thin slices. Cut the onion into thin slices. Cut celery into thin slices. Cut the coriander into equal sections. Cut one lemon into thin slices. Remove the seeds. Here are the ingredients: chicken, celery, coriander, red pepper, onion, lemon. Add the chicken and all the ingredients together. Mix them very well. Add the celery, add the red pepper. Mix it well. Add the lemon. We add lemon in 2 times. Add the onion in 2 times. Add the coriander. You can wear gloves to mix it well. You can also use chopsticks to mix it. I share recipe videos every day seriously. Please support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Then let's add the salt. Add some red pepper powder. Add light soy sauce. Add some dark vinegar. Mix it well. Add white sesame seeds. Mix it well. Add the sesame oil. Mix it well. Add 5 spice powder. Mix it well. It's ready to be served. Chicken breast is very delicious and healthy. Will not gain weight. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. It's a simple recipe. Try cook for your family. I wish you happy, wealthy, and healthy.